Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create portrait from smoke effect in Photoshop, and we'll quickly see how to convert this to this. This is another very artistic technique of Photoshop. By using smoke texture, you can really generate any kind of portrait into very astonishing form. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So for this session, we are going to use this pretty model. Just do Command minus to decrease the size and adjust the model image as per your requirements. Press enter. Rename it to model and deactivate this layer for our time being. Just create one new adjustment layer for gradient and just click on this bar, pick the color black and white, select this black stop, select the color, and in this hexadecimal code just give 80 80 80 3 times so that 50% gray will be selected. Press OK. Select style radial, make it 45, make it reverse, and just increase the scale somewhere 200. Press OK. Perfect. Now just deactivate this layer, select model layer, delete this background, we don't require it, and just cut the picture of the model. I'm going to use object selection tool to perform this action. Once it is achieved, just click on select and mask. Just select output to new layer with layer mask, press OK. Once it is achieved, just right click and convert to smart object. Enable this layer and drag it underneath. Select this layer and do Ctrl T to adjust it. Press enter. Now just go to adjustment layer and select black and white. Go to preset list, select infrared and create one adjustment layer for curves. Just make it little bit down from here and little bit up from here. And this is perfect. Now you can come back to black and white layer and you can select any kind of preset as per your requirements, whichever you feel is going perfect for your image. So for this purpose I'm going to use infrared, but you can use lighter or you can use darker, red filter, anyone, whichever you like. Now just select model copy and create one masking. Do Command I to invert. Select the masking thumbnail and come to the properties and reduce the density a little bit so that we'll be able to see the model image underneath and we will be able to know that what kind of effect we are going to do. For the time being, I'm just going to adjust it for 60%. Now, after doing it, just make sure your foreground color is selected as white and select any kind of a smoke brush, whichever you want. And if you do not have these smoke brush, please do not worry. If you want, you can Google it. But if you don't want to waste your time, please comment to us. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. I'll send you all the brush packages to your email ID right now. So select any brush, whichever you like. Increase the size and just go to Windows, Brush Settings and rotate the brush as per your requirement. And make sure your opacity is all the way 100% and flow is 100%. And just click wherever you want. You can change the brush and you can change the brush anytime. You can change the size from this slider and the rotation of the brush as per your requirement. And once it is done, just increase the density all the way up. Now you have the structure of the image. Perfect. Now select different kind of brushes and rotate them. Just click on the image. So entire action is happening on the image only, but if you want this particular effect to be happening on the other part of the face and you want that smoke should be revealing other than the space part somewhere here, so just click another layer and just drag curve layer underneath and click on the clipping. Select this particular layer which you have just created. Make sure foreground color is selected as black and just select any kind of smoke brush. Increase the size and just click. You can toggle between white and black to have the different effects. Change the brush once you have achieved it, you will realize that you will be getting so wonderful effects like this. So this is so amazing, and we will quickly see what we have achieved with it. We started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful results. Before, after, before, after. This is so amazing. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen that how easily and effectively we can generate portraits from smoke effect in Photoshop, and by using this technique you can really achieve wonderful results for your any project or requirements. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com, or you can just comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography signing off.